Free Spirit 8 Plus. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Judy. Welcome back to another day, another video. Here I am in another TJ Maxx, just hunting for some pieces I really want for this season. So here I am showing you some really cute pots that I did not know she carried this line either, but here they are, super cute and not that expensive.
Adentro. Yeah, what's up, peso?
It's a dessert.
What is it?
For cupcakes. Super cute.
Only for cupcake?
Cupcake yum desserts. Okay guys, so this store does not have a lot of music, so I'm gonna be talking. Look at this cute little pot here. Foil, $24.99. Oh my god, they have a lot. I have these back here, and let me tell you, I love those. $39.99 with the handle. Okay, so I found these in a random place. $4.99 for Easter. Cute, but I don't have any use for it, so I'm not gonna get it. My husband is actually really in love with this Rae Dunn set here. They say fry. It comes with the top, the glass top. There's another one down there, right there. But that's about it. The only thing I like is the wood handle right here. They have all this stuff out. Yeah, I have. Oh, yes, I did. Let me see if I can spot something Rae Dunn here. Frame. This love frame back here. I'm looking for another love frame my husband found. He's a very supportive husband. I love that about him. This is cute. This is cute. $19.99. Jewelry boxes. What else can I spot here? Let me see. My husband said that this table had something. Another frame. $9.99. Here's my those red ones. No mugs. Wood toppers. Oh, such a bad luck. Mr. and Mrs. wine glasses. These are cute. Love, $12.99 in white and in red. Don't fall, don't fall. More frames. Oop, this table has quite a bit. Scented candles, more frames. Let's see what else we can find. Easter I like. Okay, so this is the clearance aisle, and wow, quite a bit of Rae. We have the round clock, acorn, shoe fund, $8.
That's nice.
And all these frames. Class of 2020. I feel so bad every time I see this stuff. All the kids that missed out on the graduation. I think that's it for this. Oh, no, I see more over here. $10 for a set of embroidered napkins. Number one teacher over there. More of those clocks. Done fun, never done. Never done. How much are these? $8. This is cute. Oh, but it's chipped. $18 on sale, and it's chipped. There's two more right here. Okay guys, so I am here at the Marshall's Home Goods, and I stumbled upon these. Good egg, bad egg, lots of doctors, shine bright. They have this kit right here, tea and honey, another queen bee, shine bright. Ooh, wait a minute, look at all of these. Oh my god. Pray and pray. I think I'm gonna get these two. Chick magnet. Oh my god, so many. Free Spirit 8+. So many. Okay guys, so there's so many things in this, and look at how cute. Green, kiss me, and then in the back, $5.99. Oh my god, so cute. They have all these here, and then the ones I showed you in the last video, the cupcake baking cups, XO sweet. Oh my god, I love it. Okay guys, so these I saw and I posted in the last video, so I did these also, but this, okay, this I have not seen. It's $5.99. Let me see if I can get it out of here. Okay, so it's supposed to be it has a suction so you can put it on your sink, then you put the soap, and then you rinse your knives, spoons, and forks. It's clean caddy for $5.99. It has like the bristles in on both sides. This is something that would come in handy for me. I don't know what to do, but I like it. Super cute. Look of the Irish feelings. Oh my god. $4.99. That's super cute. Okay guys, I am at the checkout line, and as you always know, you gotta check these out. Oh my god. Look at these. Coffee, honey. Hey girl. quit, shine bright, free spirit, quit it. They have so many of these. $7.99. I'm so tempted. Fine. Okay guys, so I'm still here in the line and look at this. These towels. Super cute, but then look at this right here. Be mine, and I gotta hurry up. $9.99. Super cute. Oh my god. This is packed with stuff. Okay guys, so we are back at home, and this is some of the things that I ended up grabbing that are Rae Dunn. If you want to see all the stuff that I hauled in the upcoming video, you will see so many things. I will be redecorating my room, I would be cleaning the pantry, spice cabinet, and all that stuff. So please subscribe and like this video if you want to see the upcoming videos. These two pink mugs, I plan on giving it to someone very special to me, and this I will, once I use it, I'll let you know how efficient and how good it is. Thanks for watching, guys.